Hello, welcome to another episode here on Ginger Mafro Cars. So you may have seen in the last video, I made the car look more unique, which I also spent a lot of time making the bonnet look beautiful. Today, I'm taking the bonnet off because there's a little surprise coming up. Fingers crossed next month, so as I'm recording this, it's February, so hopefully in March, something exciting is going to be happening to a bonnet. So that's what I'm doing today. Also, on a very quick side note, because I get distracted very easily, I have recently bought this as well. That is to replace this wing, which I think you agree, a little bit worse to wear. I've also got the boot to replace as well, because as you can see, this is currently fiberglass, which is not ideal, but I do have a nice new boot for it. I say new, second hand, so I've got to do that. Also here, this stainless steel exhaust. There may also be some news coming up about that. Twist. Oh, God's sake. Plastic stuck inside it. I mean, what is the point? Everything's so secure. I'm sure you're all thinking the same as I am right now. How am I going to undo all these nuts and take the bonnet off without it falling? I have no idea. Ta-da! Job one done. So at this point my microphone decided to die, but I've got the new boot out of the boot. I then released the bolts that are holding the boot onto the car at the moment. I looked at the wiring and decided it would be too much issue to actually remove the wiring properly from the car, so I decided to get my new pliers and snip the wires, which I'd reattach later onto the new boot. I removed the strut braces that are currently holding the boot up, and then, voila, I removed the boot from the car. I do need to change the lock, but I feel like I do that. Do I do that in situ? It's probably easier to do it off the car, isn't it? Definitely a little bit rusty under here. Literally. So there is the barrel that fits this key. Look at that. That's how clean it should be. Right, so I need to get off. And that, push out of there. Well, that's going to be an issue, isn't it? Because I've got the key. It looks like this one is locked. This is ready to go back on. I've de-wiped it now, professionally de-wiped. Need to get a little rubber grommet for there. This one seems heavier, but I think it's just mainly, it's got a lot less rust on it. Oh dear. I can't find the hole.
That's what she said.
I can't see round it while holding it.
Do you think to hold something?
Yeah. Yeah, there's no weight to it. I've got to find it. Yeah, absolutely, mate.
You don't like a simple challenge, do you?
No, exactly. Got to find out of a bolt. The car's gone far. Right, so my thinking is, I dropped it, it's rolled down, this big bit of plastic, and it's gone down here somewhere. Ooh, 20p. Gotcha. Oh, now what do I do with my socket? Oh, I'm one of those days. And hopefully, well, it's looking promising, isn't it? Look at that. A solid boot lid. Beautiful. And it actually works. The electric wires that I cut earlier, obviously I very crudely cut them off. Most of the electrics are for the washer and the, well, this is a washer pipe, and a lot of these electrics for the windscreen wiper, which I'm not going to be using. I can see that the wipers, black and yellow, brown and green and black. Just to test it. This is just to test if it's working. Of course I will do it properly. I will. Of course, pull all these wires through, make proper connections. I've said it before videos, I'll say it again just to reiterate, it's not a how-to guide. This is a ginger idiot, has no idea what he's doing, pissing about cars, so please never take anything I do as an instruction manual, which I'm sure you wouldn't, but that's my warning to you now. Tuck that in there. Right, the only thing I've got to try to do is get this numplate off. Don't worry, I will be getting new tape for it, just for now. Need to want a rubber bung for that. So there we go. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with the progress so far. So the bonnet's off, ready to be sent away for something exciting coming next month. The boot's now changed over, so it's no longer 80% rust. I'm going to iron brush it all off and try to undercoat it or underseal it. Yeah, and it's looking good. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, like this video if you haven't done so already, and join me on my journey of getting this Golf ready for Shedfest 2024. Till next time, it's time for me to say goodbye.